Welcome to Willard Library's virtual Crafternoon. Today we're going to learn how to make a paper pumpkin favor box. Let's talk supplies. First, you'll need our pumpkin box pattern printed on an 8.5 by 11 piece of thick cardstock. Each box that you make will require one piece of decorative cardstock that measures 8.5 by 11 inches. The one I'm using here is double-sided. If you want to include a leaf on your pumpkin box, you'll need a small piece of green paper. You'll also need 6 inches of green floral wire. You can find this at most craft stores. And lastly, you'll want to round up a pencil, a bottle of glue, a glue stick works just as well, and a pair of scissors. Let's get crafting. Take your pattern and your pair of scissors and begin cutting along all of these solid black lines. When finished cutting, you should end up with 3 separate pieces like this. Next, take a piece of decorative cardstock and decide which side you want to be on the outside of the box. In the example seen here, I'm going to make the outside of the box orange and the inside of the box white. You'll see that I'm tracing my pattern on the white side, which is the inside. Trace both of the box patterns on this page, but leave the leaf pattern out for now. Now trace around the leaf pattern on your green paper. At this point, you should have 3 patterns traced. Take your pair of scissors and carefully cut along the lines that you created. Go ahead and pause this video until you've finished this part. After cutting out your patterns, you should wind up with 3 pieces that look like these. You probably noticed that the pattern that we used includes a small keyhole on the pointed side of the box. We're going to recreate this now on our cutouts. Line up the pattern next to your cutouts and with a pencil, make a small mark as your guide. It does not need to be perfect. Now take your scissors and one of your patterns, gently fold along the line that you created, and then cut the line out. When you unfold the pattern, you should find that you've created a small keyhole in the pointed side of the box. Go ahead and repeat the same process on your other pattern. Okay, now we're ready to assemble the box. Take both of your box patterns and line them up so that both of the pumpkins are across from one another. You'll see the square at the bottom is going to be the base of the box. Take a small amount of glue and put it along the base. Make sure that you're gluing on the side that you want to be on the inside of the box. Overlap your second pattern over the base of the first, then set aside to let dry. If you're planning on giving your favorite box as a gift, consider writing the recipient's name on the leaf of the pumpkin. Now we're going to create a vine to come out of the top of the box. Take your floral wire, hold one end against the pencil, and then wind it around like so. Gently slide the vine off of the pencil. Now that the glue has dried completely, we're ready to fold the box in place. Place your box with the inside upward. Imagine there's a square base and fold along the 4 sides. If you plan to put candy or party favors inside the box, now's a good time to do so. Take the 2 pumpkin-shaped sides and press them together so that the stems line up, just like this. Now carefully take the keyhole and fold it over the stems. It should stay in place. Do the same with the other side to close up the box completely. Now we're ready to add the leaf and the vine to the top of the box. Simply stick one end of the vine into the stem of the pumpkin. If you like, you can add a drop of glue on the end to secure it. Now gently bend the wider end of the leaf, add a drop of glue, and press it against the top of the pumpkin. Hold in place until it dries. Our favor box is now complete. Be sure to stop by Willard Library's Adult Services desk and ask for your free craft kit today while supplies last. Thanks for watching!